Hi, I'm DC Kuhns. I'm the Executive Director of the Eden Project. I'm here to talk to you today about the Replenish program. The Eden Project is about the promotion of renewable energy and the recovery and reuse of renewable resources. One of the renewable resources that we're going to talk about today is something that we refer to as table scraps or organic waste. I'm here with the collaborator in the Replenish program, Rob Tunnell, who's the co-owner and vice president of Blue Hen Organics. As part of this program, what we're doing is encouraging restaurants to reduce the amount of garbage that they send to landfills. Garbage in landfills rots and it creates greenhouse gas. If we can divert those organic materials, table scraps, away from the landfills, we're not only reducing greenhouse gas, but what we're doing is we're putting a little money in restaurant owners' pockets because they see that the amount of garbage that they're paying for going to the landfill is greatly reduced because we divert it to compost. Robert, tell me a little bit about Blue Hen Organics.
Blue Hen Organics is a compost facility in Frankfort, Delaware. We opened about 1.5 years ago. And we accept yard waste, land clearing debris, construction wood waste, and now we are permitted to accept food waste. And in partnership with commercial waste haulers, they go out and they collect the food waste from restaurants and grocery stores. Right now, the main hauler we're working with is Blue Hen Disposal. They have a route set up where they go to restaurants, they collect food waste 3 days a week. The food waste is then brought to our facility. We grind the food waste, blend it with ground up yard waste, which is leaves, grass clippings, wood chips, things like that. And then we put it into the composting process where we monitor the oxygen, the temperature, and the moisture in these windrows. And it's about a 6-month process to go from raw food waste and yard waste to a finished compost product. That product's then sold throughout the Delmarva Peninsula lawn and garden centers to farmers and homeowners as well.
So Robert, since the program began just a few weeks ago, how many restaurants are now participating and how many intend to participate in this program?
We started the program at the busiest time in the middle of the summer when every restaurant is as busy as they can be. And in just in the past couple of weeks we've already signed up 6 restaurants and we've got commitments for another dozen to start in September once everything calms down after Labor Day. The key to making the whole food waste collection process work is to get high quality food waste that doesn't contain any contamination, because we can't compost plastic, we can't compost glass or metal or any kind of inorganic material. So training is the key. We have to go into the restaurants, we provide training, we show them what can be composted and what can't, and we provide the signage inside the restaurant to show and provide the ongoing feedback and training for people to look at the sign and know which container to put it in.
Well, thanks for watching today. We hope that we've given you a little bit of an introduction and a little more information about how the Replenish program works. We're very excited about this. We've got restaurants that are stepping up to the plate to participate in that program, recovering what we've been throwing away and using that material to recycle compost back to farmers in the place of petroleum fertilizer, so that the very vegetables that they grow end up on the restaurant tables here in Rehoboth. Thank you for listening and stay tuned. There'll be more.